Hello everyone, I'm continuing the series on the karmic debt number. Karmic debt number, last time we did for number 10. We have 5 karmic debt numbers: 10, 13, 14, 16 and 19 of any month, and it have to be your date of birth. It can't be your destiny number or any other number. Okay, so today we are talking about number 13. So number 13, जैसे कि सबको पता है, नंबर 13 ऐसे भी सुनने में सबको ही बहुत डरते हैं. एंड नंबर 13 इज नोन एज अनलकी नंबर्स. मैनी मिस्ट्रीज आर एसोसिएटेड विथ नंबर 13. एंड काफ़ी कंट्रीज में नंबर 13 के हमको लाइक यू डोंट फाइंड द फ्लोर ऑल्सो, यू डोंट फाइंड द house with number 13. So it is that kind of a dreaded number. And why it is so, that will also I will share with you. But first we talk about numerologically. Number 13 is a 4. So why it is a karmic debt number? See, number 13 is made up of 1 and 3. So when we get 1 and 3, we have a good combination here, because we have Sun and also we have Jupiter. So that is Sun and Jupiter together. So it's also it have a good idea about number 13, because number 13 is about knowledge and also leadership. So number 13 people are very difficult to control. They like to control other people. They will like to control everything, but they are uncontrollable because they have the power of Sun and also they have the power of Jupiter. Sun is the leadership. सन को हम ऐसे भी, सूर्य के बिना कुछ भी नहीं चलता है. एंड जुपिटर जहाँ पे आता है, गुरु जहाँ पे आता है, वहाँ पे आपको नॉलेज भी होती है. तो जस्ट इमेजिन कि आपके पास पावर भी है, आपके पास कम्युनिकेशन का पावर है, आपके पास सूर्य के जैसा तेज है, और उसके साथ साथ आपके पास गुरु के जैसा ज्ञान भी है. तो फिर जस्ट इमेजिन द अमाउंट ऑफ ईगो ए पर्सन विल हैव व्हेन दे हैव नंबर 13 इन देयर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, because it's natural. And if the ego is not a false it's not on false ground, because they have that power also. That's why it's the powerful combination. So number 13 is not to be a negative number, rather it has very useful powers in it. So why then it is a karmic debt number? That's why it's a karmic debt number, because जो पावर उसके अंदर है उसको हैंडल करना और उस पावर को अपने अंदर यूटिलाइज कर पाना, दैट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बिकॉज लोगों के साथ क्या होता है, इन जनरल व्हाट हैपेंस विद एवरीवन, विद जनरल आई एम टॉकिंग इन जनरल विद पीपल, कि हम जब व्हेन वी अचीव सम ग्रेटनेस, इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू स्टे ग्राउंडेड, इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू बी कनेक्टेड स्पिरिचुअली, बिकॉज फिर लोगों के मन में ईगो बहुत आ जाता है. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि दिस इज मी, आई एम डूइंग, देन यू आर कटिंग द कनेक्शन विद द डिवाइन. एंड व्हेन यू हैव द सरेंडर, when you surrender to the divine along with your own power, you know you have that power, but still you surrender, then what happens, your power will increase and it will have a positive impact on you and also those surrounding you. So that is why 13 is a karmic debt number, because it has immense power. All the karmic debt numbers have power in them, and that's why they are important, and they should handle themselves more carefully, because they have more power. Always the power comes with more responsibility. So that's why it's a karmic debt number and number 13. So now I will go to the tarotically ki how it is so much of dreaded and why so many mysteries are associated with number 13, because number 13th is the death card in the tarot deck. And death, जहाँ पे भी डेथ का नाम आता है वहाँ पे लोग डर जाते हैं, एंड इसीलिए नंबर 13 हाउस के साथ हॉन्टेड एंड एवरीथिंग काफ़ी चीज़ें कनेक्टेड रही हैं. सो नंबर 13 अगर डेथ कार्ड होता है, उसका मेन व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट डेथ, डेथ क्यों इतना लोगों को डराता है? बिकॉज डेथ मीन्स लिमिटेशन. वट एवर वी वांट टू अचीव इन आवर लाइफ, डेथ कैन कम एनी टाइम and it can snatch everything away. So that's why it is most dreaded thing, and we have no idea what happens when we die. So that's why it is the greatest mystery of humankind, and it is the greatest limitation on humans. No matter how powerful you are, सबको एक ना एक दिन मरना पड़ता है. आप राजा हो सकते हो, आप रंक हो सकते हो, आप कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के बहुत बड़े लीडर हो सकते हो, but still when the death comes you have to go. Nothing can save you from death. That's why death is that powerful, that dreaded thing in our life, and it is associated with number 13. So number 13 doesn't mean death. Number 13 also means transformation. So number 13 people have the power of transformation in their life. if they use their power, the way I said, they have the power of 1 and 3. That's why it's a very good combination, that is Surya and Guru together. So if they use their power wisely along with a spiritual hint, अगर वो लोग surrender करते रहेंगे, अपने power को पहचानेंगे, then they will bring transformation in their lives. That's why number 13 is an important number, and also number 13 makes a 4. So 4 is the number of Rahu. Rahu is also known as Gunda. Rahu is also known as the illusion. So the illusion, and अगर गुरु और उनका सूर्य better है तो it is good for them, but अगर उनका राहु is dominating, then it will take them towards the bad line. So that's why 13 is a karmic debt number, and if you have a number 13, you should be very careful, but use your power wisely. You have great power in you. So that's all for number 13 today. In the next video, we will talk about number 14, that makes a 5. So stay tuned, and if you are number 13, just come in the comment box, you write down. If you have people around you who are number 13, send this video to them.